Today, we're delving into the intriguing world of coins worth money, and our spotlight is on the 1990 Washington quarter dollar, a coin that might be hiding in your pocket and holding surprising value. So, what's the story behind the 1990 Washington quarter? Let's dive right in and explore why this particular coin is creating a buzz among collectors. Before we talk about its value, let's set the stage with a bit of history. The early 90s were marked by significant events, and coins often mirror the times. The 1990 Washington quarter carries a piece of that history with it. Now, let's shift our focus to what makes the 1990 quarter stand out. From minting variations to possible errors, these factors can turn a regular coin into a sought-after collector's item. Check out these key features you should keep an eye on: minting anomalies, specific varieties, and even the coin's condition can significantly impact its value. It's these nuances that make coin collecting both exciting and rewarding. Take a look at some visual examples to help you identify potential treasures. These nuances might just be the key to unlocking hidden value in your collection. Now, let's talk numbers. The market value of the 1990 Washington quarter has been on the rise, catching the attention of collectors worldwide. Stick around as we explore recent sales and give you a glimpse into the potential worth of your coins. Finally, this coin value in market $3 million. Isn't it fascinating how something as simple as loose change can turn into a valuable asset? If you're passionate about coins or just curious about what might be hiding in your coin jar, you're in for a treat. Before we wrap up, remember to check your change carefully. You might have a 1990 Washington quarter that's worth more than you think. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of valuable coins, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and share your own coin discoveries in the comments below. Until next time, happy collecting!